Well, if I'd had the right fittings, I wouldn't be working on this again today. Got a call several hours ago at 8 a.m. and thought, oh no, the glue didn't hold. So I stopped along the way to get some new glue. But here there it went. Yeah, that's the only leak. Where I had to put a plug in the fitting, the darn thing is busted. And I thought somebody was going to shut it off in 5 seconds. Don't look like no 5 seconds to me. How slow do they count? Well, more work. Gonna have to replace that whole L with the faucet and all that. Stuff's not gonna line up. It's just...